This is going to be another biker's video. Let's take a quick look. We got a plenty of footage here. So if you want to support his channel, become a member of Biker's channel. But we do have our MTC Rider Academy. Whoa, a little bit of a high side there. Low side, and then boom, launched him into a high side. Now, what was the factor here? It was going to be that side of the vehicle. Do you think another factor? Look which way the sun is going. Yep, let's take a quick look at that again. So we got a U-turner right here. Oh, we start the low side. Now, there's not much of an escape we have here. This is a terrible situation. Thankfully, it looks like this is going to be a smart rider. Tried his best with the fundamental skills, but has full gear. Did a great job. It just kind of sucks that happened right here. No buenos. No buenos. The membership is $4.99 the first month. Here we go. Critic of games. Uh-oh. Swerve. Woo! Total stopping distance wasn't enough. Found an escape path. That's going on Moto, man. It's going on Bikers. That wasn't very, that was a very terrible situation. We're lane filtering here.
Oh, no.
And then he's saying, oh no. So we're going to go ahead and apply the brakes. Not going to be able to stop in time. Can't escape to the left. We released the brakes and we escaped a little bit to the right. Thankfully, we were able to stop in time. Hey, it's a close call if nobody hits anybody, so that's a good one. There we go. So wear a helmet. Here we go. We got full high-vis gear. Got... Ooh!
Holy shit!
Were you paying attention, tattoo motorcycle freak? I don't think you were paying attention. I think we were in white stage, a little zoned out here. We're going through an intersection. We're turning left. We weren't waiting to see if that person was going to slow down and stop. We're supposed to be in orange stage, prepped and ready for anything. Hey, who cares? Just go ahead and get yourself out of there. What foam mount do I use? I use a rock form foam mount. For now, anyways. Got very lucky. Go ahead and check your pantalones after that one. Did a fine job. Did not panic. Because sometimes people go from white to brown. He went from white to red. Angelo Ryder looking at the dog or the woman. I don't know. Moving through here. Watch out. We got, line of sight issue. Braking. So that was going to be a line of sight issue because of that big vehicle. Check your pants. Be a little cautious next time. Don't look where you're not supposed to be looking. Look where you need to go. And if you see that there's going to be like this really weird, what's going on here? That should be like a gut feeling. A little bit of a gut feeling. Oof, no buenos. Good GG, New York City. No helmet. Okay, doing some weird lane filtering. Can't be doing that. Riding a little bit crazy. Come on now. And that, high impact, high mechanism. So we fell down before even hitting the bike or hitting the taxi. Look at the escape that we had, though. What do you think? What do you think happened here? Just hooliganing it up? Do you think it's a stolen bike? I don't know. Panic, dump. All over the ground. Could have escaped. Didn't escape. Did not escape. Oh. That is it's a bobber, customish bike, customish. That's the original seat that you get. That's the suspension.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Ooh, he's bleeding a little bit.
Huh? Oh, you cut your arm a little bit.
Yeah, I'm good.
You gassed your arm a little bit.
Oh, you should not have been doing what you've been doing. All right, here we go. Going around a blind corner, and we got a big vehicle. Thankfully, everyone was going decently slow because you really can't go as fast as some crazy people would do on these roads. If he was going a little bit faster, he would have impacted or went off the side of a cliff. Okay, so remember, ride within the situation that you're in. All right, right here going 78, not good. Side of the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and go around. Nice swerve. Okay, we got another person right here. We're gonna go ahead and swerve around them. Why do you think we're doing that? Maybe catching up to our buddy? I don't know, going a little too fast. Too many different factors here. Speed is definitely one of them. Target fixation. All right, getting her knee down. Where do you think you learned that from? All right, moving on to here. Terrible line. Maybe going a little too fast. Decided to do that. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, we target fixated, but look at our line. We weren't riding like we were supposed to. We're going to cut across, and we should have been following in our own lane. We got a little panicked by that vehicle. We got this person here, target fixated on the wrong things. We just had a terrible time trying to even turn. So if you're going to be a smart rider, make sure you seek and recognize it. Don't try to keep up with your buddy up front. That's not always the case. You need to ride your own ride. Come on now. Yeah, it was motor oil, not blood. But YouTube doesn't know that. Here we go. Camera view from the rider who is right behind our guy. You see how we slowed down right here and that guy didn't? Okay, this is why we talk on our Cardo Pack Talk Bold and the new Edge. We got links in the description for a discount. Check it out. So we're able to talk to our buddies instead of honk. We can say, hey, Jeff crashed again. All right, here we go. Small reminder to maintain speed on blind corners. All right. Blind corner, can't see around the corner. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Good job maneuvering around that. I think this is an Indian Scout. Great job. I think, got lucky. Side of the vehicle again. AZ Scoots. This is definitely Phoenix. I could tell by the signage. And he slowed down beforehand and then did an escape pass. So he did great progressive brake pressure before this area. We're in this left lane. We can move over to the right lane. So what we're actually doing is planning our ride. We're going to position ourselves for safety. We located this hazard and just adapted over here. So slowing down right here. Okay, definitely not going to be, we don't have enough total stopping distance. Let's go ahead and move over. Did a great job. Now we have an escape. Let's go ahead and move forward. Very good. Very good. All right, Kyle Kelleher, here we go, going around a corner. We're staggered.
Hey,
Hit.
Just brakes, slow brakes, slow brakes.
That's why we have a Bluetooth system. So why do you think that happened? What happened in the middle of a turn that caused him to like, He remained calm.
Yeah, it's broken good now.
Very good.
I know.
It's okay. I mean, I know you want to apologize. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh.
They can be replaced.
Insurance claim right there.
Maybe. Deductible might be.
Shopping, man.
That was really good. Really good. Remained calm. That sucks. Right here, watch this.
Want to go?
Boom.
Oh.
A little bit of a bump. Look at this. Watch the bump. That's all it takes sometimes. That's all it takes sometimes. Okay, you can't tell from the person in front the bump, but look at the camera here. Look at us. Watch the bump.
Just look where you want to go. Hey,
That could have been just enough right there. Target fixated on the turn and a little bit of a bump.
where you want to go?
Yeah. Brand new rider. That's what it looks like. That looks like a brand new rider. And that's fine. That's fine.
Hey,
Thankfully, there's a runoff.
just brakes, slow brakes, slow brakes.
Oh, dump the bike. Hey, could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been on an Indian. Here we go. Moving on. Going through here. Okay, blind corner. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. They are going. Ooh. See, it's not always like, hey, the car's in my lane because they're being jerks. No, the car was moving over for the other vehicles. Okay. Here we go. Moving through here. Lone Wolf 595. Oh, side of the deer. Did a great job. Wasn't hauling ass. Working with what they got. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go, right here. Turning left. We're on a little, I think we've seen this. Guy went a little bit wide, crashes, dumps it right there. Easily break a collarbone, so be very careful when you're doing stuff like this. Make sure you're actually able to turn. Side of the vehicle coming up. Yep, there it is. Intersections, definite orange stage. You want to be prepped and ready during the intersections. All right, moving on. Here we go. Merging issue. Why do you think that's happening? Big, long line, open lane. They decided they didn't want to turn left anymore. Same thing here. Moving over. Merging issues all the time. No bueno situation. Oh, going a little wide on this one. Okay. Low-sided it. Lost traction. Did not make it, buddy. Sorry, buddy. He did not make it. Oh, broke some things. Your throttle's gone.